Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to upload high quality videos on Instagram. So for that we have to go on our Instagram app. As you can see here, I am on my profile, and then from here you have to click on those three lines from the right top corner and then click on settings. So from here you have to click on account, and then you have to scroll down, and then you have to click on cellular data use. So from here you have to enable this and then click on high resolution media. So click on that, and then you have to set it to Wi-Fi only or cellular plus Wi-Fi. So now if you are on Wi-Fi or data, you will upload high quality videos. And if it was set to never, then you would never upload high quality videos. So then we will have to go back, and then you can turn this off back. And that's it. Now you can upload high quality videos on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, you can smash the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to comment down below your thoughts. Have a great day. Bye bye.